What's the meaning of cineaste? Cineaste. Cineaste.
Cineaste. Cineaste. Cineaste refers to someone who is passionate about cinema, particularly as an art form. It has connotations of being deeply interested and knowledgeable about movies, and often involves a strong appreciation for both classic and contemporary films from around the world. Cineastes may be dedicated film critics, scholars, or simply enthusiastic fans who enjoy discussing and analyzing movies on a deeper level than most casual viewers. While the term can sometimes carry elitist undertones, it generally denotes a genuine love and respect for the art and craft of filmmaking.